Hello guys, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I want to show you how to add profile photo to your account for those of you that are struggling to add their profile picture. Okay, it's so easy to do. For those of you that have already done it, congratulations. But for those that are struggling to add your profile picture, this video will help you to do that. So I am going to quickly show you how to do that. Once you log into your account, you come to the top right corner here where your name is and click on that little drop down arrow there, and you will now see settings and logout. So if you click on settings, that will take you into your profile. Okay, but because if I click on settings just now, it's going to review my personal details. I have screenshot the process, so I'm going to use screenshot to show you how to quickly do this. So this screenshot is already telling you that you should click on that little drop down arrow just across your name, and that will now open up and give you this drop down that will allow you to click on your settings. Okay, so you click on your settings. When you click on your settings, this page will now open. When this page opens, it will now display all your personal information. As I said, I have blanked out all my personal information. Okay, and all you need to do then is to click on this icon that is here. Okay, the estate icon. The reason why my photo is showing is because I have already done my profile. Okay, I have already uploaded my profile picture. So if you click on it, this will now allow you to upload your picture. Okay, so you can upload any picture as long as the picture looks a bit professional, because you want to look professional in this business. So make sure that you have good photo to upload. And another thing that I want to let you know as well is the size of the photo shouldn't be more than 5 megabytes. Okay, 5 MB, and the format of the photo should be either in PNG or JPEG format. It's easy, it's not difficult. So once you have clicked there and uploaded your picture, you will just click save changes. Okay, so when you click save changes, everything will be saved and you will see your profile picture. Now, it does not end here, guys. Okay, it's not just to upload your profile picture. So I've added a bit of one more slides to show you what you need to do more after this uploading of your profile photo. So the last slide that I want to use to show you and teach you what you need to do is to update your social media channels. Okay, this is very important for you if you want to grow in estate. Okay, I know that it's not everybody that is interested in social media, but if you have either Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Discord, you can add all of these your profile handles, okay, into this box. So now remember that if you are doing Telegram and YouTube, is slightly different. You can see that Telegram starts with the symbol at, and then that will now display you will now copy it and paste it from your Telegram channel, okay, and paste it here, okay, with your Telegram name. And then in the Instagram, you will see that the Instagram is still the same there. Okay, so you don't copy the whole of your URL. I will show you how to do that. And the TikTok is there. You will notice that YouTube starts with the symbol at, and then your YouTube name if you have a YouTube. Okay, and then your Facebook as well is just the last bit of your Facebook address. That's where you add. That's what you copy and add here. The same thing with your LinkedIn and your X. So let me show you just one out of all of this, okay, how to get it done. Now remember that you do not have to have all of this. Even if you have only one or two of these social media contacts, then you are more than welcome to do maybe only one or two. But because I have all of them, I was able to add everything on my own profile. Okay, so let me show you how to do, first of all, the Instagram one, I think. Yeah, so where is the Instagram? There you go, this one, right? The second one, Instagram. So if you go to your Instagram account, right, open up your Instagram account, go to your profile, click on profile. When you click on profile, the profile page will open, and on the browser you will see the URL of your account. So what you do is you highlight and copy just that bit of your account. Okay, copy that bit of your profile link. You can see just only that bit. You copy it and then you go back into your eState account and paste it where it says Instagram, if you have Instagram. And then for the LinkedIn, okay, if you have a LinkedIn account, you go to your LinkedIn account and then again go to your profile or your LinkedIn account and copy just that bit that is in blue, that bit that I highlighted. That's all you need to copy. Okay, don't copy everything, just copy only that bit, and then you go back into your eState account and paste it where it says LinkedIn. Okay, now let me show you how to do the last one. Okay, so the last one is Twitter. As I said, I'm only just going to show you a few. Okay, so go to your Twitter account and then go to your profile. Of course, you must be on your profile for you to see your URL for your social media channels, and then you copy. You can see that I copied only the last bit. I did not copy all the URL, just the last bit. This bit is your social media handle or profile name, okay, or username. So copy that bit and then go to eState account, paste it there, and then click Save Changes. That's all you need to do. So once you are able to do all of this, you have set up your profile and you are good to go. Now remember that there is also benefits to uploading your pictures on your profile and completing these social contacts. You will earn a token. When you complete this, you earn 20 e-token for a buyer, I think, and then for an agent you will earn maybe the same or maybe 30 ETK. So it is good if you are an agent to have a professional profile. Okay, so update your profile with your photos and your social media channel. If you are ordinary a buyer, like ordinary investor, you are not bringing anybody in, then it is also good to do this, all right, because it's good for you. So this is it. Thank you very much. You have successfully completed your profile. So welcome to eState. Thank you and God bless.